Hi everyone, this is Sinan from Carrefour, and today we're taking a look at this Toyota RAV4 at Toyota dealership in Carrefour 4640. That's just outside of the island of Montreal. This car was manufactured in August 2012, making it a 2013 model. Odometer reading is 74,294. Interior is in good condition. Some little bit of wear here. One comment is that the car comes with only one key, not two. Auto dimming mirrors. We had to boost the engine because the battery was weak, but Toyota said that they're going to be doing the replacement for the battery. A headrest is missing on the passenger side rear. Some small imperfections in the rear, as I will show you. Well, get back. Party mode. There you go. As you can see, some small imperfections in the liner in the back. On the driver's side it's okay, but on the passenger side it's, well, some wear here. The rest is okay. Little imperfections here. This is WeatherTech, so this is an aftermarket addition. It's a good addition. Paint thickness measurement, we did check and verify on all the panels. There is a comment, little rust spot here. There is a comment that I have, most of the passenger side of the vehicle was repainted. Please see pictures for more details as to the paint thickness measurements of the panels. It's a little bit cold, Montreal today. I should have worn my gloves, but okay, so the brakes are new along with the rotors as well, in the front and in the back. The tires were manufactured in 2012, making them most likely the original tires that came with the car. I'm gonna do a quick scan on the computers. We haven't done so yet because the battery was dead. There is a slight odor that is of an air freshener, but no other odors that can be diagnosed or noticed at all. Turned on the air conditioning system. Heated seats, both are on full. Just removed it for illustration purposes. There's pen holder, which is nice. It's nice to have. Passenger side. The car is beeping because there's only one key and it's with me. So, and the key is outside of the vehicle. So it's right here. Passenger side is in good condition. We're gonna check out the carproof report of the vehicle as well. Pretty much bilingual instructions and information. Let's pop the hood just quickly. Smooth running engine, very, very smooth. This is rust proofing, it's not rust. This is rust proofing, so it's anti-rust. Alright, one last quick walk around. There's almost no discrepancy in paint color difference at all between the painted panels and the non-painted. You can see a little bit of difference in the color if you really pay attention at these two panels here. You'll notice that the color is slightly different, but this is very, very slight. You can't notice it, and to the untrained eye it's not visible. It's the spare. It's brand new. Condition of the underbody, very good. Some surface rust, but little imperfections here. All right, well, we'll do the computer scan and we'll conclude this short inspection of this 2013 Toyota 4Runner Limited at Carrefour 4640 Toyota dealership just outside of the island of Montreal. This was Sinan from GetInspected. Thank you for watching.